equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the intricate process of repairing the motherboard of the HP Victus 15fa1010ns. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, isopropyl alcohol, and an anti-static wrist strap. Let's get started. First, power down your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the repair. Next, using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the back panel is off, you'll see the internal components. Take a moment to inspect for any visible damage or dust accumulation. If you notice dust, use a can of compressed air to clean the area gently. Remember, a clean workspace is essential for a successful repair. Now, let's focus on the motherboard. You'll need to disconnect the various cables attached to it. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry off any connectors that are stuck. Be cautious not to damage any components. If you find this process daunting, keep in mind that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always seek expert help. After disconnecting the cables, locate the screws securing the motherboard. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the motherboard from its casing. It's important to handle it with care to avoid any further damage. Next, inspect the CPU area for any signs of damage. If you see burnt areas or broken pins, you may need to replace the CPU. If everything looks good, clean the CPU and the heatsink with isopropyl alcohol. Apply a thin layer of thermal paste before reassembling. Now, let's reassemble the motherboard. Place it back into its original position and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect all the cables, ensuring they are firmly in place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Once everything is connected, replace the back panel and screw it back into place. Reinsert the battery and power on your laptop. If it boots up successfully, congratulations! You've just repaired your HP Victus 15fa1010ns. If you encounter any issues during the process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. And remember, with our service, there are no calls, no travel, making it easier for you to get your laptop fixed without hassle. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.